Excuse me.
That's a bad outfit. Whoa!
Okay, Breslau, remove these people. God, look up there.
What the hell's that?
Easy, miss. I've got you.
You've got me. Who's got you?